Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in this video, I really wanted to make a matching DIY notebook to folder idea 4. But what I realized was that I was left with even less fabric than I could use. The other part of it too was that there was going to be no way that I could come up with to be able to go all the way up to the spiral part of the notebook anyways, but I still wanted to be able to use the fabric without having anything go to waste. So that being said, I decided to come up with a completely different way to cover up this cover notebook. So I start by taking my chalk black paint and just painting it completely over the top of my notebook, of course protecting the pages with a scrap piece of paper. In my case, I'm using a manila folder. And while that was drying, I went ahead and took the spare bit of fabric I had left for project idea 4 for the folder, and I decided to just go ahead and rip it. So I start by snipping a section off, and I'm guesstimating roughly about an inch or so, and then I just start tearing it, and I just keep doing that over and over again until I come up with random amount of pieces. So I ended up with 8 strips of this scrap leftover fabric, and I actually had more than I actually needed just to cover the entire front cover of the notebook. I already knew that some black parts of the painted surfaces of the notebook was going to be shown anyway, because I wasn't going to try to squeeze these strands within and in between the notebook spiral part of the notebook. So I go ahead and decide to space these out, but also not go through the spiral area, if that makes sense. And you'll see that on screen anyways. But I decided to space these out and also arrange them in the way that they should have gone together in a pattern before it was torn, if that makes sense. And that way you kind of see just like black gaps between the pattern itself. If you decide to do a project like this, just keep in mind that arranging the pieces, it really doesn't matter how you decide to arrange them. They don't even have to match up with their original design. Once you have the arrangement that you like, go ahead and start tacking it down, and I'm using my homemade Mod Podge for this. And for those of you that are new to my channel, that's just 1 part glue, 1 part water, and that's it. Just 2 ingredients. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going ahead and prepping the label itself. I'm just cutting out a template, and then I'm going to cut out a fresh new note card, and I'm going to ink the edges. And then once I have it all arranged, then I'm going to go over it again with actual Mod Podge to seal it in place. Then the excess pieces will actually be glued onto the inside of the notebook cover with just hot glue. I really love the way that this turned out, and now you can go ahead and add the subject onto your label using whatever method you wish. In my case, I am using my stamps. Let me know in the comments below if you think you might try this project out for yourself for going back to school. And of course, don't forget to glue your label onto your notebook. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.